Hey guys, so I just want to rant for a minute about my General Biology 1 professor. Not even my professor, the professor that does the lectures, because the lectures are actually like pre-recorded video lectures that are done by a different professor within the biology department. And so it seems like the professor that recorded the lecture videos does more advanced biology classes now, like the more upper level classes past general biology. Anyways, he does all the lecture videos for the General Biology 1 class, and I think the General Biology 2 class, which is the second half of the biology class that I'm in now, which is General Biology 1. I just want to rant for a minute because I have been working on this biology homework since like 11 this morning, and it is 20 minutes to 5 currently p.m. and I am not even done with the lecture videos. Now, I'm trying to get homework done for all 3 of the classes that I'm currently taking, which are Intro to Psychology, Intro to Nutrition Science, and this General Biology 1. I'm done with everything for the Intro to Psychology class. I have everything done except for a quiz in the Intro to Nutrition Science class, and I have not even gotten through the lecture videos for this General Biology class. I am still watching the lecture videos, and I have online lab simulations to do this week. I have all of these lecture videos to get through. Plus, I have a quiz on 2 separate modules, which talks about like cells walking, movement of cells, the differences between normal cells and cancer cells and things like that. And yes, it's interesting information. Like, we're also talking about different technologies like light microscopy and scanning electron microscopy. We're talking about pseudocolored scanning electron microscopy and how to tell the difference between that. We're talking about multicellular systems and the differences between that and a single cell, and retraction fibers and like lamellipodias and filipodias and all that kind of stuff. So it's a lot of like dense, heavy information that you need to be able to understand. But I haven't even been able to get through these lecture videos because he just talks and talks and talks. And I like the way that he presents the information because he definitely presents it in an easy to understand way. And he explains things very thoroughly. Like, this is the notes that I've taken so far. But like I said, they are long. These lecture videos are long, and I've been working on them since 11 something this morning, and it is 20 minutes to 5 and I'm still not done. And so like my whole purpose of staying home today was to try to get homework done, because this is, as I'm recording this is 4th of July weekend. And so we have a lot of activities going on family-wise with my godmother and her family. My mother and stepdad are coming up here with their camper to camp for the weekend. Well, actually, starting closer to the 4th, they'll be camping at my aunt's house up here. So I'm trying to get like all of this homework done, and I just need to rant because this professor is not making it easy for me to get this stuff done. Like I said, it's already frustrating that we have homework due on the 4th of July. Thankfully, the one professor in my nutrition class, she actually extended the due date because of the holiday. So originally her stuff for her class was supposed to be due on the 4th as well. But now we have an extension until Wednesday, which is the 6th, I believe. So thankfully she did that, but I'm almost done with everything for that class anyway. I just need to take the quiz. I just wish that I could get through these lecture videos, because like I said, the whole purpose of me staying home today from going to the lake, well, besides the fact that the weather wasn't the greatest, and so I felt like it was worth it for me to stay home and try to finish all this homework, my whole purpose was to try to finish all this homework so then I could like enjoy the holiday and not worry about having to rush and finish this homework while we are out doing activities as a family. We are going whitewater rafting on Saturday. Tomorrow's Friday. We're going whitewater rafting on Saturday, and then on Sunday Sunday is my cousin's birthday, so I'll be over at my aunt's house for that and having dinner over there and stuff, so I won't be home. And on Monday, which is the 4th, we are going to the parade in the morning, and then we're going to Pictured Rocks to do another boat cruise. And there's just a whole lot of stuff going on. Meantime, I'm going to be spending time with my mom and stepdad once they get here, which is going to be like late Sunday night, so the night of July 3rd. I'm just very frustrated. Do you guys have a professor who, like, you can tell that this professor is very passionate about what he teaches, definitely, and he knows what he's talking about, but I think because he's so passionate, he just goes on and on and on and on and on. And like I said, it's very interesting information. I'm definitely, like, I'm not bored by the information that he's presenting whatsoever, but it's hard for me to like try to get things done before the 4th of July when I can't even get through the lecture videos. And like I said, I still have lab simulation assignments and different questions that I need to do, assignments. I have discussion board. I have an exam on these 2 modules of information, and it's a lot. Like I said, we're talking about different technologies, contact inhibition, retraction fibers, lamellipodia, filopodia, scanning electron microscopy, cell culture techniques, and things like that. So it's a lot of information that is already trying to go into my brain. And it is a summer class, so it's already dense as it is. But I just wish there wasn't like a whole day full of information as I'm trying. Like, my brain is overwhelmed right now. I just told one of my friends that I text on a regular basis that I don't have their number. That's how fried my brain is. So anyways, have you guys had a professor that is like this? How did you deal with it, if so? Even just a teacher in high school that was like this. Like, it's not like the information is boring. Like I said, I'm not bored at all. I'm not falling asleep. It's not like one of those monotone professors that makes it like super boring and hard to stay awake for the lectures. It's just so much information that he's sharing in these lecture videos that it's just like I'm trying to get everything done, and I feel like I haven't really accomplished that much because I haven't even gotten through the lecture videos yet. And I was hoping to have at least the majority of like stuff done, maybe not the exam, but like everything else I was trying to have that done today, and I don't think that's gonna happen. So anyways, I'm gonna go make something for dinner because my stomach is growling now and I'm hungry and I can't focus when I'm hungry. So I'm gonna go do that and then get back to my lecture videos, and hopefully I can get through like at least the lab simulations today, maybe. Wish me luck.